Welcome back to Aspire BBA, where we explore powerful insights and practical strategies for personal and financial growth. In today's video, we're diving into The Rules of Wealth by Richard Templar, a guide to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your money management skills, this video will equip you with 10 key lessons from the book that can transform the way you approach wealth. Let's get started. In Rules of Wealth, Richard Templar distills the principles of financial success into practical rules that can be applied by anyone seeking to improve their financial situation. The book offers straightforward insights and actionable advice on how to think about and manage money effectively. Here are 10 key lessons and insights from the book. 1. Understand the importance of wealth. Templar emphasizes that wealth is not merely about having money. It involves the ability to enjoy life and achieve personal freedom. He encourages readers to redefine wealth in their own terms, understanding that it encompasses health, happiness, and fulfillment. 2. Take responsibility for your finances. One of the core messages is the importance of taking personal responsibility for one's financial situation. Templar stresses that individuals must take ownership of their financial decisions and actions, rather than relying on others to manage their money or blaming external circumstances. 3. Live within your means. Templar advocates for living within one's means as a fundamental principle of wealth creation. He suggests that spending less than you earn is crucial for building savings and investments. This principle helps individuals avoid debt and fosters a habit of financial discipline. 4. Save and invest wisely. The author highlights the necessity of saving and investing for the future. He encourages readers to prioritize saving a portion of their income and to understand the various investment options available. Templar underscores the importance of making informed investment decisions to grow wealth over time. 5. Create multiple income streams. Templar advises diversifying income sources to enhance financial stability. The book discusses the benefits of having multiple streams of income, such as side businesses, investments, or passive income opportunities, which can provide security and greater wealth accumulation. 6. Set clear financial goals. The book emphasizes the power of goal setting in achieving financial success. Templar encourages readers to define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart financial goals. Clear goals provide direction and motivation, making it easier to track progress. Educate yourself about money. Templar stresses the importance of financial education. He believes that understanding how money works, including concepts such as budgeting, investing, and interest rates, empowers individuals to make informed decisions and avoid common financial pitfalls. 8. Avoid bad debt. The author warns against accumulating bad debt, which is debt that does not contribute to wealth creation. Templar emphasizes that while some debt can be beneficial, e.g. mortgages or student loans, individuals should avoid high-interest debts that can hinder financial progress. 9. Be patient and persistent. Templar highlights the importance of patience and persistence in wealth building. He acknowledges that financial success often takes time and effort. By staying committed to long-term goals and continuing to make smart financial choices, individuals can gradually build wealth. 10. Give back. Finally, Templar discusses the value of giving back to others. He believes that sharing wealth and helping those in need not only enriches lives, but also contributes to a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Philanthropy can enhance personal happiness and create a positive impact on society. Rules of Wealth by Richard Templar provides practical and accessible guidelines for achieving financial success. By emphasizing personal responsibility, disciplined spending, saving, investing, and continuous education, Templar equips readers with the tools necessary to build and sustain wealth. The book encourages a holistic approach to wealth that encompasses not just financial resources, but also personal fulfillment and a commitment to giving back. That wraps up today's discussion on Richard Templar's The Rules of Wealth. Remember, wealth is about more than just money. It's about living a fulfilling life, taking control of your financial future, and giving back to the world. If you found these insights helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Aspire BBA for more financial wisdom, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep striving for success and financial freedom.